Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the extraction process, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help ensure that you can safely open your HP All-in-One without causing any damage to the components. Start by unplugging the device from the electrical outlet and removing any connected peripherals. This is crucial for your safety. Next, lay the computer face down on a clean, soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the unit later. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. It's important to be patient and avoid forcing the panel off. Once the screws are removed, take the plastic prying tool and gently insert it into the seam between the back panel and the main body of the computer. Carefully work your way around the edges to disengage the clips holding the panel in place. This step requires caution to prevent any damage to the clips. After the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Here, you can see the hard drive. Before proceeding, it's wise to clean the internal area with compressed air to remove any dust buildup. This will not only improve airflow but also prolong the lifespan of your device. Now, locate the hard drive. It is typically secured with screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you are unsure about the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, carefully disconnect the hard drive from the SATA connector. This should be done gently to avoid damaging the connector. If you find it difficult, consider using our pickup and delivery service at your home to make the process easier. With the hard drive now free, inspect it for any visible damage or issues. If you are replacing it, you can follow the reverse order of these steps to install the new hard drive. Be sure to quote before repair if you need assistance with selecting the right hard drive for your needs. Finally, after replacing or extracting the hard drive, reattach the back panel by aligning the clips and pressing gently until you hear a click. Replace the screws you previously removed, securing the panel in place. Ensure everything is properly fastened, and then reconnect your peripherals and plug it back into the power source. With that, your HP All-in-One should be ready to go, equipped with either a new hard drive or simply cleaned up for better performance. Remember, if you ever need help, we provide services with no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.